मैं बीडीआई किड्स अखनूर के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर सिमरन महाजन जी को मंच पर आमंत्रण दे रही हूं। डॉक्टर सिमरन महाजन। Such young talents as principals, I think she deserves a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Honorable Chief Guest, Padam Shri Balwant Thakur ji, worthy guests of honor, Chairman BDI Kids Foundation, Shri K.K. Bhardwaj ji, Shri Deepak Virdhi ji, Director of BDI Kids, other dignitaries, educators, parents and my dear friends. I am Simran Mahajan, President of Chandrabhaga Higher Secondary School, Akhnoor, and BDI Kids Playway, Akhnoor. My goal from the start has always been to provide the best for our students. We have a name we are proud of, but as an educator, I knew we could do more. I felt that while our senior sections were strong, our Playway department needed a fresh spark and a new modern approach. 1 year ago, I decided to bring in BDI Kids Foundation to power our Playway wing. I wanted our little ones to have the best tools, the best curriculum, and the most fun while learning. It has been one full academic year since we made this change, and the results have been amazing. The classrooms are now more vibrant and active than ever before. I have watched our Playway children develop their speaking and social skills much faster this year. I would like to clearly mention that BDI Kids Akhnoor is not a powered by or a tie-up model. It is a complete and independent BDI Kids franchise, started with full understanding, commitment, and belief in vision. One of the strongest aspects of BDI Kids is its AVK model, that is auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. In our classrooms, children just don't listen. They see, move, act, and experience learning. This ensures that every child, regardless of learning style, stays engaged. This approach has empowered our teachers as well. They now understand that every child is different, and teaching must adapt to the child and not the other way around. Transitioning an existing school is never easy, but the franchise support made the shift smooth and professional. People often ask me why I changed something that was already running. My answer is because our students deserve the best. Today, Chandrabhaga School is stronger than it was a year ago. We have kept our values, but we have added a modern professional edge to our childhood education. Parents have shared a very positive feedback. Children look forward coming to school, and for an educator, this is the biggest achievement. I can confidently say that choosing BDI Kids Foundation as a full franchise was a strong and right decision for our school. I sincerely appreciate the vision of BDI Kids Theatre in Education Foundation and congratulate the entire team for their dedication and impact. Thank you to the franchise team for joining hands with us. And a huge thank you to our teachers, Ms. Seema, Ms. Preeti, and Ms. Vandana, who have adapted so quickly to this new way of teaching. A special thanks to our coordinator, Mrs. Sherpa, who has been a bridge between the school management and franchise. Your hard work in coordinating every detail and making sure these new methods were implemented in our classrooms has been incredible. This successful year wouldn't have been possible without your dedication. A sincere thanks to the BDI Kids again for their support. We have a fantastic first year and the future looks even brighter. Thank you.